Hi friends, my name is Siddesh Sham Kadam. I am from class 3rd year Electrical Engineering, Guru Gobind Singh College. Today I am going to present for subject energy conservation in electrical energy conservation and audit ECA. First we will see the course outcome. Apply energy conservation techniques in electrical installations. We will check how we can apply electrical conservation techniques and installation to conserve the electricity. Energy efficiency motor. Energy efficiency motor, what does this mean? Minimizing watts loss in motor. Improvements in motor efficiency can be achieved without compromising motor performance at higher cost within the limits of existing design and manufacturing technology. Any improvement in motor efficiency must result the reducing the watts losses. Here is the half section representation of a motor. Energy conservation technology adapted in transmission and distribution system may reduce energy losses, which were in tune of 35% of total losses. In power system, acceptance of energy conservation technology will enhances the performance efficiency of the electrical apparatus used by the end users. Types of occupancy sensor. Passive infrared sensors detect the movement and increase heat in area caused by natural increase in movement and heat as people enter in the area. Ultrasonic sensors EMI unit ultrasonic waves that bounce off objects in a room with an echo send the sensors. The sensitivity of sensors recognizes move. This is a representation of an infrared detector, ultrasonic system and acoustic sensor. Energy efficiency light control. Energy efficient light controls occupancy sensor. Occupancy linked control can be achieved using infrared, acoustic, ultrasonic, or microwave sensors, which detect their movement or noise in room spaces. These sensors switch lighting on the occupancy is energy efficient lighting. Techniques implementing energy efficiency lighting. The energy efficiencies of buildings, electric equipment, and appliances use as far short what is technically unattainable. Electric utility energy efficiency techniques have great potential to narrow this gap and achieve significant energy savings. Some of the recent trends in energy efficiency technology that have been also used worldwide. First, energy efficient motors. As we saw above on the first slide describing about the energy efficient motors. Soft starters with energy saver. This arrangement will save the energy. Variable speed drives to change and adjust the speed accordingly. Energy efficient transformers. Transformers which will enhance the energy and efficiency. Electronic ballast. Occupancy sensors. As we saw above, the occupancy sensors. As global energy demands continue to grow, actions to increase energy efficiency will be essential. Thank you.